Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about the different economic systems. Let's jump right into it. The problem of scarcity and resource allocation forces societies to answer three basic questions. Those questions are, what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What to produce asks what goods and services the society is going to make with their resources. Will the country focus on producing consumer goods or capital goods, cakes or cookies, corn or robots? The society cannot produce everything, so it will have to make choices, and those choices will have opportunity costs. How to produce refers to the methods of production. How will goods be produced? Will they be handcrafted or manufactured? What kind of labor will they use? For whom to produce refers to the distribution of produced goods and services and determining who gets what. Once goods and services are produced, who is going to get them? Will it be people most in need? People who worked the hardest? Or those with the most money? Economies employ systems that can answer those three economic questions. There are three economic systems that you need to know. First, traditional economies use customs, traditions, and beliefs to answer the three questions. Traditional economies will produce the same products that were produced in the past, using methods passed down from previous generations. Usually, goods and services are produced for the family, tribe, etc. Some examples of traditional economies are the Amish, the Inuit tribes in Canada, and nomadic Amazon tribes. Next, command economies, like communism, have government officials or central planners who make decisions about the economy. In a command economy, the government decides what products are produced, what methods are used to produce, and how goods and services are distributed. Command economies can be good at achieving specific goals for society, like increasing economic equality or improving public health. However, this type of system can also be inefficient, resulting in resources being wasted. The main examples of command economies are North Korea, the former Soviet Union, and Cuba. Finally, market economies, like capitalism, have individuals make economic decisions based on self-interest. Individual entrepreneurs decide what goods and services to produce and how to produce them, while individual consumers get to decide for themselves which products to consume. Market economies tend to be quite efficient and get a lot out of their resources. The most important characteristic of market-based economies is private property rights. The United States is a prime example of a market economy. There is a fourth system which is also known as a mixed economy. As its name states, it is a mix of all three economies and their characteristics. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this episode, and we'll see you soon.